A man married a woman. They were married for 30 years. For that entire 30 years, the woman would wake up and walk out of the house in the morning. No regard for the husband. Like say she no know saying they exist. One day for social media, Alusi Pablo come pop up, come tell her and say, no be Alusi Pablo, one divia like that, come pop up, come tell her and say, yo, you get husband, you get children, you get people who deal with you, you get Ndimiri, you get Ndiotu, you get Ndichie, your ancestors. But the only thing they do now every Sunday, you will go Jesus Christ ministry. Go the shout. Or for night, you will go the shout. But every day, you go wake up, you no go talk to you. You no say girl husband. Say the only thing now what you need now to kill elephant for your husband. She can't give that Divya money now, you can't kill elephant for her husband. Now I ask you, if now you way they kill, where woman never they talk to since for 30 years where they married on, where you go wake up in the morning, you and go waka come out. She know they talk to you. One day she can't cook for you. You go chop. You know they die. You were selling. So, Nso ka Aja. Aja is not the most important thing in the Oko sisi mwaki beya uchenaya. My brody should have punched your chin when I was pissed off. Non-confrontational, I only walked off. But don't do that if you love that man.